Hello everyone, my name is Rosmit Farag. I'm studying the UNAP University in the Electronic Engineer program and this course that is English course. So right now for an activity I'm going to talk about my last trip. It was to the USA. It was in 2019 for about 3 months. I spent 3 months there studying in Kentucky. Most of the time, so I was living there. I also visited a few places in Kentucky. You know, it's a state, so I visited a few cities when I was there. Most of the time I was studying during the day, but in the afternoons and in the night I was visiting some places near where I was studying. I also visited Louisiana and the city of New Orleans. It was a really nice city to visit. The food is delicious there. The place is beautiful. The streets are amazing. I mean, it's like a Gothic style, so I like it too much. I also enjoyed too much the food there. The food was delicious. I ate shrimps, very big shrimps. I also ate alligator. I wasn't thinking to eat alligator, but I have to admit it was delicious. It's so spicy, the food. I like spicy food, so there it was amazing. That is a place I would like to visit again, and maybe to know more places there because I was just in a few ones. I also visited Bourbon Street. It was a place I really wanted to be there. So I made it. I visited Bourbon Street. It was like every day during party. So they got discos, they got restaurants. Everything is really nice there. So I really enjoy it. I would like to go again there. Well, that's what I did in my last trip, and I'm hoping to go again to visit the US maybe in a few months. So let's see what happens, but it's what I want. Well, everything is changing right now. Everything is going like a mess with this coronavirus thing and all that stuff. But I think I can do it. I think I will do it. So let's see. If I go, I will tell you about it.